man? What is going on? What are you doing?
We're gonna jump out of a plane today. Never done that, but we're gonna do it now.
That explains that weird ass thing you're wearing, dude. That's quite a contraption there, dude. Any particular reason for going skydiving today?
Him, out of the blue.
Him?
Out of the blue.
Out of the blue. It was his idea?
Yes, it was.
Oh, man, dude. So now we know. If anything goes wrong, we know exactly who to point the finger at.
Yeah.
But, dude, you look fantastic. I know I look fantastic.
We'll have to give it.
Let's get going.
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah, let's go. Woo! Action shots, man. Yeah. Woo! All right, dude, you just went skydiving, man. Tell me, how you feeling?
Fantastic. That was the best experience I've ever had.
Yeah, what was your favorite part, man?
Free falling.
Free fall, dude. You absolutely killed it, dude. That was sick, man. Did some turns, did some spins. We had some fun with it, dude. All right, man. Thank you so much for jumping with us, Skydive Colorado Springs. Get it!